How to add table on iPhone notes. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily add a table in your Notes app on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Notes app on your phone. It's a yellow icon with a little notepad symbol. If you can't find it, you can also search for Notes app on your iPhone. Once you're on your notes, you can either create a new note or you can simply open an existing one that you want to add a table to. Now let's add the table. Now simply tap on the notepad, and then simply here, as you can see, we can find various options like AA, which will help you give your or format your text. You can also add bullet points, or you can also simply add table like this. Now once you've added table, simply fill in with every details that you want to add. You can simply tap in like this, and you can also add it like this. You can also customize the table doing like this and simply editing it. As you can see here, simply you can format. You can also add column like this. You can easily adjust the size of your table by adding or removing rows and columns. Just tap on it, which is this one, like this, and you'll be able to simply add or remove them. And that's it. That's how you can simply add and customize table in your iPhone notes.